How to fix your night owl camera not recording events. So it's important to put in mind that menus and recording options can vary by your night owl series, and standalone cameras may require a working micro SD card, while DVR or NVR systems normally save events to the recorder's hard drive. So avoid performing a factory reset until recordings are backed up, since it can erase settings and require systems to be configured again. But the first thing you can check is the motion recording settings. So you can go ahead into the devices, setting the specific one, and make sure motion detection is enabled, and if the feature is available to toggle on or off. So the recording mode should be set to motion or event, not manual recording only. So you're gonna have to confirm that an active motion area has been selected as well. If you have it for your device, you can also check the recording schedule. So confirm the motion recording is enabled for the correct days and hours, since a camera may detect movement but save nothing when its event schedule is blank or restricted to another time period. If you have any kind of micro SD card in your device, you can verify that the recorder's hard drive or the card itself is detected and does have available space. When storage shows zero capacity, an error, or an uninitialized status, you're gonna have to back up important footage and format the drive through the Night Owl system. Formatting permanently deletes existing recordings as well. You can also try testing the camera and motion detection. So you can try walking directly in front of the camera yourself and check whether a motion icon appears on live view. So you're gonna have to bring your device with you to test out the motion detection. And if it doesn't, you can try increasing motion sensitivity, widen the detection area, and remove objects that may block the camera. And try another recorder channel or a known working cable. One last thing you can try is to just restart and update the system. So if you have a manual for your device still, you can try restarting it manually, and you can restart the camera, the recorder, the router that you have, and even the Night Owl app. So confirm the recorder is online and install available firmware or any kind of app updates. If you do have your recordings on your recorder but not in the app, you can just try signing out of your app itself. Go ahead into your device settings, go back to app, and from here you're just gonna go ahead and either clear your app cache or just reinstall the app directly. To clear your cache, you can go ahead into the app info, go ahead to the bottom right, which is clear data, and just go ahead and press on clear cache. But those are a few options you can try if your Night Owl camera isn't recording events. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.